cutest little cutie that ever cutied. Like, look at him. Isn't he so cute? Like, he's so cute.
I am attacked.
I need something to hold on to.
Here we go again.
I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving this K-pop life. Hey everyone, so today we're checking out this, but things have escalated since we've last seen each other. If you look back there, I've got Y as well. Didn't buy Who, because all the songs from Who are on Y, and as you can see, this is quite the situation already. So I decided to only buy their... I decided to buy their whole discography if you go by songs. So I have... I went to Korea and I kept seeing their albums everywhere. And every time I was like, And then at the end I gave in and I bought. Why and how. So today... I'm going to be listening to all the songs like in one go, but I will have to cut the video in 2 parts because YouTube gets a bit trigger happy at like 5 songs, and I've got more than 5 songs to check out. So yeah, I have this here for credits because if you're wondering why did I buy this before I had even heard it, let's be real. Oh, this is a really cool... I haven't actually looked at the album much yet because I bought it and then I was in Korea. I didn't really have a chance to. And then I was just putting everything away. But yeah, I like the way they did the credits on these like little cards in the middle of everything. And I thought, look how cute. Anyways, we have 6 songs left. We have live performances for like most of them. I think the only song where I fully didn't have one is Amnesia. And then we're also, I have 5 songs left. I don't have 6 songs left, but we're doing it in 2 parts because I also wanted to check out a live version of Earth, Wind and Fire. That's why. But yeah, the reason I bought this, even though I hadn't heard it, is because I have been so obsessed with all the music by them that I have heard, that at this point I'm convinced they're going to be on my Spotify Wrapped purely based off the 7 songs of theirs that I have heard. Also, a lot of you recommended for me to check out covers by them, which I will do, but I thought, hey, why not finish their discography first if I've only got 5 songs left, right? Why not? So yeah, we have live stages for a lot of things here, which means the likelihood of most of this and the next video getting blocked is very high. If it's just a mess of like cut together bits, that's because most of it got blocked, which means there will be a link in the description for all of it for free on Patreon. If I get things blocked, I always put it on Patreon for free. That's important, just so you know. So you'll still be able to watch it on Patreon. You don't even need to have an account. Just find the link in the description. That being said, the first song we've got here is Hour. And that one is a live version. So I'm going to pull up lyrics because I want to know what it's about in general. Lyrics were by Zico, composed by Zico. It seems like none of the members were involved on this one, unless either any of the members have like producer names, but I'm guessing none of them are Pop Time or Zeno Vibe. But yeah, let me check out the lyrics for Hour briefly for a feeling of what the song is about. Okay, Hour, it seems like it's basically just about going on a date. And I think the other songs we've got lyrics for in the videos we got. No, we don't. Not 4. So let's go see the stars, but we'll go to that when we get there. Okay, that being said, let's check out Hour. Let's go. Oh, and I'm also going to rank this album because that's a thing I usually do. I rank an album when I listen to it for the first time. Let's go. Looking cute, dude. I like his pink hair. Oh, I think I saw a clip of this somewhere. Ooh! Ooh! First of all, I like Songwoo's mic a lot. Okay, when I get it. I'm such a fucking Jiyeon bias. It's honestly annoying how in love with him I am. Like that one. I love him. I love him. Like I like them all. But damn, look at him. Listen to him. Listen to his voice. And he's so cute. Okay, fine. You do not need me to remind you. You do not need to remind me that I have you issues as well, Taesan. We do not need to be doing this right now. Go away. Oh, it sounded good. That was a good rap. Just one more time. That was a good rap. Oh, that was... Okay, I like that a lot. I like how much of their choreo is, at least from what I've seen, seems to be very expression and feeling and like, you know, like emotion based. Like a lot of it seems to be like, let's express like a feeling here. And I kind of like that. I hope you feel the same way. I like his hair. Damn! I had no idea he had a falsetto like that. But are we wearing a... No, that's this one. Okay. For a second I thought Ian was wearing like a fake lip piercing and I was gonna implode. I do like Ian's performance expression, so. I'm good. Yeah, right. Isn't Onak the cutest little cutie that ever cutied? Like, look at him. Isn't he so cute? Like, he's so cute. I'm good. Voice of an angel. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry, but I like, actually, I'm going to implode. I love him too much. Little wink, so cute. I will say, I have had multiple thoughts that I wanted to save to the end of the video there. First of all, clearly incredibly talented, stable vocally, very, very like self-assured already, considering they're not even a year in, or they are like close to being a year in now. Like that's insane. Stage presence, in terms of like, they seem so comfortable on stage, which is also insane for how recently they debuted. They're very good at what they do, vocally solid, vibes are good, like generally like the expressions are really good. I like how much their choreos seem to just be about like like having fun, which I guess is also kind of a way to make your rookies be better at being comfortable on stage without overwhelming them with constantly super intense choreo. Because like, I like myself intense choreo, but I also like something that's just fun, which I do think is something that K-pop has been lacking a bit recently. I think we've all taken ourselves a bit too seriously for the past couple of years, and I feel like the last year and a half, at least year, we're remembering how to just like slowly but surely K-pop has remembered that it can just be fun and silly, and I'm very about it. Boynextdoor are an example, Busoksun's Fighting are example, ATEEZ's recent title track Work, which is with the most insane MV I've ever seen, is an example. I'm very about that. I like K-pop just being a little bit silly and fun every once in a while. So I'm here for it. All of those are things that I just wanted to point out as things I like. And yeah. Sorry, I just remembered that I need to also write down Earth, Wind and Fire as something to write. Yeah, next up we've got Amnesia. This one, almost forgot to look at the credits. They're so cute with that beret. I'm often not a fan of hats, but this is a good look. He looks so cute. Amnesia. So Tessan and Unak worked on the lyrics and on composition. Okay. Chorus by Songwoo? What, like the choir? Or the chorus? I'm guessing like the choir in the song. Because people also call that a chorus. Was it something like that in the first song? No. No. Okay, I'm excited. Let's go. What the hell? How am I actually meant to read this? This cool looking, hard to read, but fair enough. Let's go then with Amnesia. Oh, I immediate love. Yes. Oh. I love that sample in the background. That's nice. Oh, Tessan! This part is the part. This part. Right. Get it, Ian. Honestly, you sound so good. Oh, the pew was it. This is so fun. Sorry. Tesson and Jihyun both have this like inherent, like very slight roughness in their voice, and I just fucking love it. Also, I'm gonna trust this line distribution. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But I have, you know. Oh. Ah, so it's so pretty. If it wasn't so late, I wanted known that I'd be screaming. Like, the only reason I'm not screaming is because it's past 10 p.m. in Germany and I get in trouble with my neighbors. But I want to be screaming. This song is so fucking good. That's my son right there. I'm in love. I love Amnesia. That one, I think I like that more than Earth, Wind and Fire, which I was not sure would be accomplished within this video because it's Earth, Wind and Fire, and it's Baby Boom is sweet. I don't think I love you more, which I can't quite get out. My cat is trying to get in. Oh, now she is in. Hey, you mess of a person. Mess of a kitty cat. Am I permitted to finish this video? I can't open the door now because you're here. Yeah. Okay, let's go see the stars. No, let me check out the lyrics for Let's Go See the Stars. And the credits. So, I'm guessing the lyrics will be with the next member. So, here we go. So, the credits. I mean, oh, once again, Taesan and Unak. I now know that that is very promising. And this time the chorus is by Unak. Okay. Oh, that's also a cool way to do the lyrics. Look how cool this album is. I really like this album. I like it. I also like that I can like fully open it without worrying about the spine breaking or pages falling out. I know there are people who don't like this style of ring book as an album. I actually quite like it for those reasons, because usually when I'm looking at a photo book and there's a picture I really like on the fold, I'm like, I'm never gonna fully look at that. Like, I open it like this at most and I'm like, well, never gonna fully look at that because I don't want to break the spine. And with this, I don't have to worry about that. So I'm happy with it. But yeah, let me look at these lyrics right quick. So it's literally just about going to see the stars with the person you're in love with. Okay. That sounds cute. Let's go. So let's go see the stars. Look at them acting in the background. By the way, part of why I selected this particular performance is because I'm pretty sure this one won't get blocked. Shit. I like that synth again. I feel like they use a lot of synths I really like. At least on this album. I also really like that it feels as dreamy as what it's about. What are they doing with that fucking tire? Ooh. That's very silly and I love it. I'm guessing, is that the choreo? You is tiny and cute. What the fuck are you doing, Tessan? And the way Songo is not even like alarmed. He's just like kind of playing along. I feel like with how chaotic they are and are allowed it to be from the get-go and how silly they are, I feel like you can tell that they're Jiko's boys. Does that make sense? Like, are they as like chaotic, irreverent, and at times questionable as early Block B? No. But it makes sense that Jiko would have a group that is hella chaotic from the get-go, wouldn't it? Doesn't it? I also do really appreciate the amount of care not he, but his company put into making sure these boys are really good vocally from the get-go. Well done. Okay. Okay, Ryu! That was nice. Nice. Damn, Ryu! I thought Songo was meant to be the main vocal. Damn. Okay, Jan, what the fuck? Very good. Very good all around. I'm about it. Yeah, I haven't found the song to skip yet. There is not one yet for me. Though I have to admit that one isn't like an obsession, that one's just one I like, if that makes sense. But to be fair, I'm not obsessed with all of theirs. Well, but then every time I listen to Boynextdoor, I sit down and I listen to every single one of the ones I already knew. We'll see how things progress after I've sat on these songs for a while. But yeah, Thus far, my favorite is Amnesia. I'm excited to see how that ends up shaking out by the end of this video. I'll let you know my full ranking in the next video. Let me know which Boynextdoor album is your favorite. And yeah, that's it from me for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Recommend me Boynextdoor variety things, and like, yeah, I've heard y'all that you want covers, but let me know which ones. And also let me know anything else you really want me to check out that they did. Just general blanket. What would you want me to check out? I do have Tessan's limousine service over on Patreon if you want to see that. So there's that. But yeah, that's it for me for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.